Hi, I'm Arez and I'll be walking you through my CS50 SQL Introduction to Databases final project. So the name of the project is Playflow and is inspired from Spotify. It is basically a playlist database manager, and the purpose of this database is to model a simplified music streaming playlist system similar in spirit to Spotify. So the things included in the scope are the users of the app, the artists, songs, playlists created by the users, and many-to-many relationship between playlists and songs. The functional requirements with this database are that a user should be able to create an account, rename the playlists, and delete them. If a person wants to add songs to a playlist, he must know the specific order and should also know how to remove them. The songs can be browsed and the playlists can also be viewed. The database includes six entities: users, artists, albums, songs, playlists, and playlist songs. The users table stores the ID, name, email, and the numeric timestamp defaulting to the current time. The artist table stores the ID name and the country, and similarly, the albums table stores the ID, title, artist ID, and the release year. So, for the relationships, we have the entity relationship diagram that describes that one artist can have many albums, one album can have many songs, and one user can have many playlists. So for the limitations of the project, there is no way to represent a light song and there is no playlist collaboration. Now let's move to the code. First of all, we have the template file schema.sql. It contains 6 table definitions and 4 indexes for faster lookups. It also has one view that pre-joins songs, albums, and artists into one queryable result. I have also used foreign keys at the top which tells SQLite to actually enforce the foreign key constraints. Now moving forward, this is the sample file that I have of the data which I have created to show the queries. So in queries.sql, I have written several queries which will also be run by me further moving in this video. So the queries include inserting a user, listing all songs in a playlist in order, total duration of a playlist, most used songs across all playlists, and counting playlists per user. So to start off, I'll be creating the Spotify database which we will use. Now as I told you earlier that the files we are working with are schema.sql and sample.sql. So the database that I will create must be created from those files. So first of all, I'll create the Spotify database from schema.sql, and secondly, I'll create the database from sample.sql so that the data I have added for my use can be stored in the database. Now let's move to the queries.sql, and I'll be copying some queries from there and paste them on my terminal so that you can see that the queries are completely showing the correct output. I have shown two queries for the demonstration and all other queries are also working. That's all from my side. This is RA signing off. Hope you liked the project. Thanks for your time.